This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Shopify questions or tasks on demand.
We need to log into the backend of the Shopify. Go to the settings option. Go to payment provider. Over here, come to the third-party providers. Choose third-party provider. In the first option, you can see there is bogus gateway. In the bracket, it is written for testing. Select that gateway. Activate that. It is clearly written what are the options that is available to test. If we put 1, it will be coming as approved transaction. If we put 2, it will be the declined transaction. 3 for the gateway failure. We can test all of them, or we can to test a successful transaction, we can just put 1. Let's test the flow. This is one product I'm adding to the cart. Going to the checkout section. Over here, filling out the details. Choose any of the shipping option. Here you can see there is the payment gateway selected as credit card. To make the transaction successful, we need to put 1 in the credit card, and you can choose name whatever you want. Once it is done, just click on Pay Now. The order is processing now. You can see the order is placed successfully. Now if I come to the back end, you can see there is one order. As I have put 1 in the card details, it is coming as successful transaction. If I put 2 or 3, it will act accordingly. So 103 is the order number which I have just placed for the testing purpose. Now one thing you need to remember, that when you are making your store live, you must have to disable this option. Deactivate. Click on deactivate once again. So in this way, you have tested the payment gateway, that your website flow is working properly or not. And once you are going live, you can enable any of the real-time payment gateway that you are going to use further. Thank you.
Was this helpful? Ask a Shopify question now. AskQuesty.com.